Meet our new pet, Mitu. Hi, Mitu. ఎంత బాగుంది. ఈ హౌస్ లో నుంచి వచ్చింది. మిటు వాళ్ళనేమో బిట్టులాగా ఉంటారు. It's possible that the roasted chickens and roosters don't have a difference. Rooster ante the most wildest animal in the entire earth, but this one is so less aggressive. Mitu means peaceful. Mitu's family lives there, and Mitu is adopted by Santri Nanama. Guys, like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video so much interesting.